So real quick, I'm gonna go to the junkyard to see if I can find some EK hatch, I think it is. EK coupe or EK hatch side skirts. Because I think the EK hatch or EK coupe side skirts look nice on this car. I've seen it on this car before in the past, but that was a long time ago. Some of you guys are gonna say, well, it won't fit. I got a way around that. The PSI or PCI, or there's a manufacturer that I'm noticing a lot of guys with Hondas, especially this year Honda and Integras, put these PCI or PSI side skirts on their car. They look nice, but I don't know. I like the EK side skirts mainly because it reminds me of the Type R front lip. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but like I said, I don't like the exhaust because it's so damn loud, but I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. All right? It's just my luck. I just got to the junkyard. This truck just got here with this EK coupe, and lucky behold, EK side skirts. I don't know why this car is being junk, but it looks like it's in pretty good shape to me. I don't care for the tail lights, I just need the side skirts. So, hell yeah, man, we're gonna get these real quick, take it home and install them. You know what I mean? All right, guys. Now that I officially got the EK side skirts, I'm gonna take them home, clean them up a bit, and then we're gonna install them. And you guys are gonna see what I mean. It's gonna look completely different. I know some people, they keep the EG side skirts on their car, but it's gonna make this car look different, for sure. Just can't wait to install them. So let's do an install video, shall we? What I want to do is I'm going to change out these EG side skirts for EK side skirts. I've seen this on a T.L.C similar to this style a very long time ago, very long time ago, and I want to install them. I want to follow this concept. You see how it's thin here and it flares out towards the back. Well, I'm not sure if you guys are aware of this, but the EK has the same thing on the side skirts, and I want to follow that same thing along the side of the T.L.C, and I want it to flare out here towards the back, not be square or roundish all the way along the whole side skirt. So I did pick some up. I know you guys saw it from that black EK, and this is them here. They're mad dirty or whatever, but the fact that it flares out here, it was off an EX. This part reminds me of the front lip, and then this part here is all flat. I know some of you guys are like, what? How is it gonna fit? The EK coupe is longer. The side skirts are longer than the EG. Well, I have a way around that. But first I need to clean these things up a little bit and come back. So let me knock it out real quick. All right, guys, in order to do this the right way, you do have to raise the car up off the ground, which is what I did, because there's a couple of screws you have to take off or loosen. So these plastic doohickeys here, you have to take them off. There's 1, 2, 3, and they're all along the bottom. And you also have to take off the mud flap, which is 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3, and then you can put it on. So let me just take those bottom screws out and I'll be right back. Now that I got the mud flap off, now I just need a hammer of some sort, like this, and just hit it. And it should pop right off. Just like that. So now that I got it off, let me grab the EK one. I think this is the right side. And as you can see, it's clearly too long. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put it like this, and then this side gets cut, and the mud flap is gonna conceal it. But first thing first, I wanna get this onto the car to make sure these line up. As you can see, this one doesn't line up with this one. This doesn't line up. No. This one lines up right here. This one lines up, this one lines up, and that's it. But this part here does not line up, and this is damn near the same. This one's broke off, but it don't line up. And another thing that I have that I'm worried about is this part not lining up with this part. So let's see, let's put it on the car and see what it looks like. I'll be right back. I'm about to take a big chance and cut this here. So on that side it's perfect. So I'm gonna cut, and I'm not gonna cut it right to the edge. I'm gonna cut it like probably right here. I just need to get it to fit inside of here without hitting the tire. I'm gonna do a fitment test, and if it fits, we're good. If it doesn't, oh well. It wasn't that expensive when I purchased this, so yeah. So let me cut it real quick, and I'll see you guys in a sec. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it right here. Give you guys a perspective, probably a few inches in, probably about right there. Yeah, that makes more sense. All right, so real quick, I'm back. So this is what it looks like with the EK side skirt on the car. I cut it a little too far back, but you won't be able to see it with the muff flap on. And if you look at it from the top down, it's clean. This side's perfect. If you see, it's flat. It won't come off. I just got to put the screws on the bottom on, and then it'll hold itself in place. So this is what it looks like before I put the muff flap on, and then let me put the muff flap on and show you what it looks like after. All right, guys, so I'm all done. I was able to put two, the one on the rear, that one, and one towards the front. The only thing that I don't like so far is the fact that there's a little gap right here. I really want it to be like this, but because of the design of the old one, it won't be flat, which is not a big deal, but whatever. And yeah, man, so I got the EK side skirt installed. I think that's pretty clean, and I really wanted to install it because of this front part right here. Yeah, give you a side profile shot real quick. So it looks like, go through the front, and see how you got the front lip that squares out, and now you got the side skirt that flares out. It's pretty clean. Alright, so thank you guys for watching my EK side skirt install on a Honda Del Sol 1993. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. The moment your fingers touch that camera, just start recording. Man, this side came out so much better than the other side.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Do you know what I'm doing, Eve?
Yeah, putting your side skirt, taking it out, the old one, and putting the new one in.
Why? Why am I changing the side skirts?
Because you weren't able to drop your car as low as you wanted to. That's,
Yeah, boy.
is that the reason?
I must be a bad influence, boy. I cannot be teaching you this stuff.
What do you mean? Is that the reason?
Yeah.
Oh, that girl's good.
Man, what a difference.
Yeah, really?
Okay, so the thing is, I'm gonna go on this side, but I don't want you to record the house. So you know what? That's good enough.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah, that's good. I must say, the car looks clean. It's my wife's Accord. I really do like the way it looks. And then the Del Sol's in the back, sitting as pretty as it can sit. But yeah, man. So that's the Del Sol, clean like that. This is my wife's Accord, which I think she needs to hook up, get some rims or something. She's taking too long. Yeah. So I want to thank you guys for watching this Honda Del Sol update, and you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.